Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So today is a fun, exciting video. I got another Happy Mail package from Beebeecraft. They sent me these products to try out on my channel, and I was so excited to get my package and do the unboxing. And it took about, I would say, 2 weeks for everything to get here. So the first thing I ordered I got was these molds. I'm really super excited to try them out. I'm going to be making some earrings and some pendants with necklaces. I think if I put dried flowers in these bigger ones, that would be a really pretty pendant on a necklace. And these are large. They're like 4 inches long and 3 inches wide. So they're silicone molds, and the price point on those is about $13 on their website, and you get both molds in the pack, which is a really good deal. And then I also got these really cool glitter stars, and you can use these for nail art on your fingernails, all your crafting projects, not products. If you make shaker cards, I'm going to be making resin shaker keychains, the filled ones, and these are going to be perfect to fill up my shaker keychains. But look at how pretty. So this container, the stars have a little hollow section in the middle, and then in this other one they're solid stars. But look at how pretty and cute those are. I think they'll be so perfect in my shaker keychains. And I love this purple one right here, super pretty. They come in their own little container, which is nice, so they don't get mixed up. They stay in their little compartments. And these ones were $9.60 for both of them. And the last thing I picked up is this awesome jewelry making kit. It comes with all kinds of stuff to make jewelry and earrings. It comes with these posts to make earrings, and then beads in gold, silver, and like the brass kind of antique color. And then it has small jump rings, these small jump rings, these larger jump rings, which are going to be perfect for my keychains and my necklaces. And then these eye screws. And these are lobster clasps, like if you wanted to make your own necklaces. And those are earring backs. And then these are the little hooks if you want to make some earrings. So this kit is awesome because it literally has everything you would need in it to make jewelry. And this one, I think it was $13 for the whole kit, and it comes with the little case too. So definitely check out Beebeecraft for anything you would need for crafting. They literally have so many cool things on their website. I will link their information down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.